Alright guys, I have a few battery backups here I want to look over, and they're all by the same brand. They're this Innogie brand. And I use battery backups a lot. I've had probably 10 or 15 in the last couple of years. I currently had these, which I've been using, 10,000 and a 20,000 milliamp. But these are pretty big, especially the 20,000. The 10,000 here I could throw into a backpack or something, or even my cargo pockets, but it's kind of big and heavy to carry around. But I'll bring these on road trips so that when I go in a hotel I know I got a quick charge, 2.4 amp charges there, and you know I can charge real quick when I'm on the road, or if I go on a vacation on a plane, sometimes I'll bring the 10,000. These are actually a little smaller ones, not this one actually. This one is 10,400, but they are kind of just smaller. These are 3200s, and the nice thing is, well, the 10,000, like I told you about, it's thicker, but it is a different shape. They call this one the Alien series, and actually if we plug something in here, they call it that because of the lights on top. As you can see, it's fully charged, and then it just has a couple red lights there. This one will charge at 2.4 amps maximum, and there are two outputs, one input, and it'll charge 2.4 max. I believe that's a max total, so if you have two things plugged in, you're going to get 1.2 each max. But it will charge one device at 2.4, so it'll quick charge things, and it'll charge up power-hungry tablets and things like that. And that's the Alien series, 10,400 milliamp. Pretty nice. Still pretty big for carrying around. I might throw this in a backpack or in my car or something. They all come with their cords. They're all the same, micro USB. And these two are both 3,200 milliamps. Now what's nice about these is, yeah, they're pretty small, but they'll charge my phone, which has about a, well, my phone's got a bigger battery, but my phone's standard battery is like 2750 milliamps. So this will charge most phones at least one full time. Now they're different. Here we have the Solo series, and it's got 1 amp out, and then your input there. Simple charge and charge other devices right off those two plugs. And this one is the same. This one is called their Unique series, and it's the same, both 3,200 milliamp, both 1 amp out, just a different shape here. So it depends which shape you like better. They're, you know, different pockets. You might like it a cylinder, you might like it a little bit shorter like this one, but they're both 3,200, 1 amp only. So these would be good or great if I'm going on a trip somewhere, and let's say I'm hiking somewhere. Like a couple weeks ago I went to the caves in Iowa, and you're out for the day. You might want to throw one of these in your pocket, because then if your cell phone gets low, you have something light and easy carrying with you if you know you're just going to be on like a day trip. The bigger ones I'll use more, like I said, if I'm going somewhere or if it's in my car. But these little ones are nice. Keep them charged up and keep them always ready to go. If I'm going to go out fishing or if I'm going to go somewhere, I can grab one of these and I know I'll never run out of phone battery then. So pretty darn nice. Just have a nice small one there that'll charge my phone once. And then this 10,000 unit, charge phones, you know, 5 times, 4 or 5 times depending on your phone's battery. So they all just came with your simple charge cords, and then a little instruction manual in the box as well. So have any questions about them, let me know. They work great, you know, they're just battery backups, had no problem with them. And again, it's a Innogie Alien series. Unique series is this one, and this is the Solo series. So again, have any questions, let me know. We'll see y'all later.